Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will talk about something that can be frustrating for creators, Facebook content monetization policy issue. So if your content isn't eligible for monetization, here is why it happens and here is how you can fix it. First, we need to understand why you are facing this type of error. So the first reason might be your content might be violating the Facebook community standard, like inappropriate content or misinformation. Second, your content may not meet the Facebook's monetization requirements, such as the video length or the format. Third, if your page has low engagement or if it is flagged posts, it can affect your eligibility for the monetization. Now, here is what you can do in order to fix this issue. First, you need to just start by reviewing your Facebook's monetization policies and you need to ensure that all of your content follows their guidelines. Second, if you think that your content was wrongly flagged, you can even submit an appeal to Facebook for reviewing it. Finally, you can focus on improving your page quality, respond to followers, and you can create engaging content and avoid any policy violation. So hopefully this helps you solve your Facebook monetization issues. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.